guys, I want you to take a look at this. All right, so I want you to look under here. Tell me what's wrong with this picture. Tell me what you see over here that's missing. I can tell you right off the bat, it's a cold air intake. So, we've got one coming. What we did, we paired up with coldairinductions.com and we paired up with Calibrated Speed and Performance here right outside of Birmingham. And we've got a cold air intake coming for my 2019 Silverado that we're gonna not only install and do a review video on, but we're gonna give you guys a dyno video so that you can see kind of how the performance adds up for this. They claim it does upwards of 14 horsepower at the wheels with an average of 12 horsepower, I guess, throughout whatever they've tested. So we're gonna test the fit and finish. We're gonna see how it looks. It's a great price point. I think it's right around $370 or $390 for an intake, so it's a good bit cheaper than some of the other ones out there. And we're just gonna see how it does. So stay tuned. The video is gonna come out Saturday at sometime in the afternoon. We're actually gonna be doing the dyno videos Friday, and we'll post all the results. So keep up with my social media if you haven't already. Facebook.com/fast2door, or you can go to Instagram, it's at Leaman Griffin, YouTube, Leaman Griffin. You can follow Calibrated Speed and Performance on their Facebook page and their Instagram, and I'll link them below. Depending on what outlet you're watching on, they'll be above me or below me. And also coldairinductions.com will put their social media accounts for you to follow them too, so that you don't miss out on this. Because if you're planning on buying an intake system soon, you want to wait till you see this video. That way you can do your due diligence and make sure you're getting the best system for your truck. We appreciate it, you guys. If you haven't already, subscribe, and we'll see you on Saturday.